Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I'm going to be telling you why you should be declining fast food deliveries during the breakfast? No, not the breakfast. During the lunch and the dinner rush. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Before I get started, however, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post. So, diving diving right in. Why should you be declining orders from fast foods during the lunch and dinner rush? And you might be wondering, fast foods are super easy. You can get like a 3 mile delivery for $6. Why should I ever decline that? Reason number one: almost everyone who's working outside who doesn't bring lunch from home gets their food from fast food. And here's the reason why. Fast foods, number one, make the food super quickly, and they could get it out super quickly. So the people who have like a 30-minute time frame during their lunch period to go out and eat usually just rush over to fast foods, call over the fast foods, and then go wait in the drive-thru. And ordinarily, this wouldn't be such a crazy thing, but since coronavirus, fast foods only run their drive-thru. They don't allow people to come in and take the food. So the drive-thru is absolutely packed wherever you go, especially fast food like McDonald's, like Taco Bell, like Chick-fil-A. They're crazy packed during the lunch and dinner rush. I keep thinking breakfast, but it's not breakfast. So during the lunch and dinner rush, people just go there because they're feeling lazy. They don't want to like prepare food, bring it from home. And when people are getting off work, they don't want to go home and cook food. So they just go to a quick drive-through, get their meal, and then go home. And ordinarily, if you get a $3 or 3 mile delivery for $6, it's not a terrible delivery. It's not absolutely great, but it's not terrible, and you want to go get it and finish it. And from a restaurant, you could get that delivery done in, I want to say, roughly 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. But when you go to a fast food and there are 7, 8 people in line in front of you, you have to wait like 30 minutes just to get your food from the drive-thru, and then you got to go travel to the person's home, which might take an additional 10 to 15 minutes. So instead of doing a $6 delivery in like 10 to or 15 to 20 minutes, you're doing it more in 30 to 45 minutes just because you're waiting in the drive-thru for so long. So that is the reason why you should be declining fast food orders during the lunch and dinner rush if there are other orders available. If you could get restaurant orders, restaurants might not have the food prepared super quickly, but there will not be that big of a line in the restaurants as you will find in fast food drive-thrus. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys found this content informative. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.